Yambote, evombu
Mbote.
tutaona, pangize tukwakwena, sikulongoka, endinga eto, ndinga, kintinu kya Congo dia totila. Welcome. We're going to learn Kikongo, the language of Congo Kingdom. Thank you very much. Stay where you are, don't move. Okay, thank you. Let me just share my screen. I think I did post this on. Yes. Remember, we did learn how to say hello. This is just an introduction. We're going to the main lesson soon. Ntondo. You can read. Ntondo. We usually say tutondele. We thank you. Kikongo. This is a tradition. Is a reference in our language. See. So you can say tondele. You as a one. Matondo. Thanks. Usually we say tutondele. So can we read? Can you read here, Tiffany, please? Ntondo.
Ntondo.
Well done. You can see Ntondo repeated everywhere. Is there Ntondo? So Matondo.
Matondo.
Tondele. Man the tonality tondele.
Tondele.
Well done. Tutondele.
Tutondele.
Thank you. Emily, you ready? Ntondo.
Nutondo.
Well done. Matondo.
Matondo.
Tondele.
Tondele.
Tutondele.
Tutondele.
Yeah, thank you. So Ntondo is the root word. Well, Matondo, thanks. Tondele, me. I thank you. Tutondele, we thank you. Thank you very much. Let us go to the next slide. Can you try to read, please? Tiffany.
Zuze.
Let me try to explain. You know, when we see this accent, the first accent.
Zuzi.
Well done. I mean, double.
W.
Yeah.
A double
sound. Yeah. Long vowel. Yeah. Long vowel.
Zuzi.
Can you try again, please?
Zuzi.
Well done, Zuzi. The next one, please.
Zono.
Wow, well done, Zono. Then.
Wunu.
Yes. Then Mbazi.
Mbazi.
Well done, Mbazi. Very, very important, Mbazi. Tomorrow. Emily, please.
Zuzi.
Wow.
Zono.
Wow.
Wunu.
Yes.
Mbazi.
Yeah, wow. I'm very impressed. Well done. Okay, this is the shortest slide. I mean, the PowerPoint. I got another file. Hashem, where is the file? Wow, this one a bit long, but you will cope. You are brave.
That's a lot. Me too.
Wow. Human body. How do you say human body in Kikongo?
Me too.
Well, that is there. Need to. Okay.
Single.
And
Oh.
Tingu.
Single.
The first one, two.
Two.
Two. The second,
Single. Oh, it almost sounds like Zinga. Zinga.
No. Yeah, you're right. You pronounced correct in Zinga. Yeah. You know the meaning of Nzinga?
Mm-hmm.
You know the meaning, no? Okay, let us explain to you. We have a dictionary. Emily, can you try, please? Two.
Need to.
Yes.
Two
Two. Mm-hmm.
and single.
Single. Well done. Mm-hmm. Tiffany, please.
Mbunzu.
Be careful, there's no long vowel here. Mbunzu.
Bunzu.
Yeah. Well done. Very, very careful. Because you change the meaning just by.
Bunzu. Okay. What does it mean?
It's there. Can you read? It's there. Forehead.
Forehead.
Yes.
And
Then the next one.
Kosi.
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 There's no N because when you have N, Kosi means lion.
So Kosi, the back of the head, is that what you mean?
No N there. No N here. But the same word, when you say put N before K, it means Kosi, meaning lion.
Oh.
Emily, can you try please? Mbunzu.
Bunzu
Mm-hmm.
and Kosi.
Kosi. Well done. Tiffany, please.
Oh. Suki.
Well done. Tuki. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Then
Mbombo.
Mbombo. Mbombo. Or you could say Nzunu. Mbombo means, you know, Tuki. Eh? Bombo. The last one?
Bombo. Bombo.
No, there's no M here. There's no Bombo.
It's just bombo.
Yes, correct. Emily, please.
Suki,
Yes.
Bombo,
Bombo, yes.
and Bombo.
Bombo, wow, well done. Tiffany, please.
Zunu.
Yes.
Mazunu.
Mazunu, yes. Plural. Emily, please.
Zunu, Mazunu.
Yes. Nengwa. You know what Nengwa means? Nengwa. We learn last. Nengwa. You know what Nengwa means?
What?
Nengwa.
Yeah, it's your time. Nangwa.
Nengwa.
Oh.
Mrs. Remember? Mrs. Nengwa. Zunu. Mazunu. Can you try, Emily, please?
Zunu,
Mazunu. Let's just move quickly because we need to go to the main lesson. Noir. Noir. Can someone try, please?
Noir.
Yeah. Well done. Ah.
different.
Nengwa Lulemba. Nengwa Lulemba. Nengwa Lulemba. Go ahead, please.
Befo.
Ah, well done.
Befo.
Kutu.
Kutu.
Matu. Plural.
Mat.
We are going to move quickly because we need to go to the main lesson. Disu. I mean, can you try this? Nengwa Lulemba. Nengwa Lulemba. Can you try this, please?
Meso,
Meso. Nengwa Lulemba. Your turn.
Meso,
Tiffany.
Mesa.
Meso. Dino. Dino. Meno. Emily, the second one, just the second one, please.
Meno,
Meno. Wow, well done.
Meno,
Meno. Ah, okay. I'm ready.
Kongoni.
Kongon, yes.
Tulu.
Then Tulu. Emily,
Congoni
Congoni, yes.
and Tulu.
Tulu. Mm-hmm.
Coco.
Coco. Remember this
Coco.
accent, yeah. Coco. Long vowel. Like saying Ndumba. Yeah. Ndumba. Moko.
Mo.
Let us just move quickly. Lembo.
Lembo.
Finger. Luzala nail. Zala nails. Plural. Kulu.
Kulu.
Malu.
Tulu.
Malu.
Kungulu.
Kungulu. Makungulu. M-A is plural in Kikongo. Usually
So
it's
whenever we
plural.
want to use plural, we use a ma in front of it.
Yes, usually M-A. Ma. Not always, but usually often it's
Like for lips, if we want to say lips plural, mabefo.
Good question. I don't think this is a special case. Just say before, yeah. Like in any other language, yeah, special case.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, don't always put S at the end. Singini.
Singini.
Some people say bombo, heel, tambi, foot. Same for plural, the word for feet. Okay, be careful here. Lutambi.
Lutambi.
Footprint, tambi, footprints. Okay, thank you very much. Now we go to the main lesson. Now you are going to talk. You are going to talk Kikongo. You are going to speak Kikongo now.
Oh.
You ready? I think we're going to read it like the same thing we read last time. In the share my new my new slide. Okay. Whose name is Ndumba? Here. Let's read. Let's go. Nengwandumba. Can you read 2 lines, please? The first 2 lines. I mean, yes.
Congo language course. Malungi Makikongo Kizombo by Professor Hazel Carter and the Reverend Jao Makondekwe.
Makondekwe, yeah.
Joan Hazel Carter, 22/2/1928 through 3/8/2016, received her doctorate with her dissertation, Syntactic Tone Phrases in Congo Kikongo Language. African Studies Program, Department of African Languages and Literature, University of Wisconsin-Madison, USA, May 1987.
Thank you very much, Nengwandumba. This synthetic tone, she wrote 400 pages during 4 years. This is the work. So that's why we keep all of read. We have to say thank you to Hazel Carter and Papa Makondekwa. Congo. This lesson 2, section 1. Section 1. Okay. Now we read the Kikongo. Nengwandumba. Over to you. We're going to Las Vegas. Ongeye Osinga Die.
Ongeye Osinga Die.
Osinga. Mande A. Osinga Die. Elo.
Elo.
Omono isingadia.
Mono isingadia.
Yeah. Remember, because the Kikongo is an international language. See here. Onge osingadie. Elo. Omono isingadia. Well done. Emily, you alright? Can you try, please?
Onge osinga die.
Mm-hmm.
Elo omon a single die.
Oh, elo. Omono isingadia. Can you try here, please? Oh, isingadia.
A singa dia.
Isingadia.
A singa dia. Unfortunately,
Here.
I'm on my cell phone. I can't see.
Oh, sorry. You go to your mobile phone. I'm sorry. Okay. Of course, you can. The translation is there in English. Dia means eating. Nengwandumba, Lulemba. Over to you, please.
Onge osinga kakos.
Yeah.
Kosoke.
Well done. Well, onge osinga kosoke. The word is kosoka, but because you ask a question, like
But
being an international language, we always have the tonality at the end. Onge osinga kosoke. Can you try, please?
kosoke.
Onge osinga kasoke.
Elo omono isinga kosoka.
Elo emo sing insinga.
Omono isinga kosoka.
Isinga kosoke.
Kosoka means to sit down. Nengwalulemba.
Onge osinga laambe.
Well done. Yeah, well done. That's correct. Remember the long vowel? Onge osinga lambe. Yes. Carry on, please.
Okay. Elo omon osinga lamba.
Monosinga lamba. Emily, please.
Onge osinga lambeye.
Onge osinga lambe. Sorry, your
Onge
computer is not
osinga lambe.
good today. Onge osinga lambe.
Onge osinga lambe.
Yes. Elo.
Elo
Omono isinga lamba.
lamba.
Sorry. 1 minute. Onge osinga nue.
Onge osinga nue. Elo omon insinga nua.
Isinga nua. Well done. Because the word is nua.
Nua.
To drink. The word is nua. But when you ask a question, because Kikongo, as we said, it is an international language. At the end, we have singanwe.
Oh yeah, drink. Nua
Yeah.
is mouth also. Okay.
Emily, please.
Onge osinga nuae.
No, you don't worry about the A for the question. Here, just onge osinganwe.
Onge
Go ahead, please.
osinga nue.
Yes.
Elo
Omono isinga nua.
isinga nua.
Yes. Wow. Okay. This is very important. Here, okay, let us start. Let's read first. Lengwa lulemba. We go to Las Vegas. Lengwa lulemba.
Onge osinga saale.
Well done. This is very important because, as I said last time, this is just phonetic spelling, but you don't write double A, just one A. But we have two words. We have sala, sala here, the long vowel to stay behind. Then sala, work. You write same way but different. They're not different meaning. Okay, can you do it again, please?
Onge osinga sale.
Well done. Elo.
Elo omon insinga sala.
Omonisinga sala. Well done. Emily, please.
Onge osinga sale.
Mm-hmm.
Elo omono singa sala.
Well done. Remember here we have the same thing. We have a double A. Elo omono isinga sala. Mm-hmm. Let us move. Here you are. Nengwa lulemba. See? Same thing. Same question. I mean, going exactly to the question. This we have some sala, but here it is different sala. Mm-hmm.
Onge osinga sale.
Yes, well done. Just onge singa sale. Yes.
Ele omon insinga sala.
Hello, omoni singa sala. Well done. Emily, please.
Onge osinga sala. Sale.
Mm-hmm.
Elo omono singa sala.
Yes, correct. Omoni singa sala. Yeah, wow, well done. Let us move. Thanks. Mm-hmm.
Onge osinga sikame.
Yes.
Elo oman insinga sikama.
Yeah. Hello, omono isinga sikama. Wow, well done. Emily, please.
Onge osinga sikame.
Yes.
Elo omono singa sikama.
Correct. Wow, I'm very impressed. Nengwa lulemba. Ndumba.
So onge osinga tange.
Yes.
Elo oman insinga tanga.
Yes. Read. Emily, please.
Onge osinga tange.
Yes.
Elo omon singa top.
Isinga tanga.
Tanga.
Wow, well done. Okay, here because Monday we have double I. Mhm. I. Nengwa ndumba. Over to you, please.
Onge osinga vinigile.
Vingile. Yes. Can you say that again, please?
Onge osinga vingile.
Yes.
Ele oman insinga vingila.
Hello, Monesinga Vingile. Yes. Wow. Let us move. We're almost at the end. Mm-hmm.
Onge osinga vove.
Yes.
And elo omon singa vove.
Hello. Remember, it's always the long vowel. Hello. Monesinga Vova.
Vova.
Monesinga Vova. Yeah, almost there. Over to you. Nengwa ndumba. Onge.
Onge osinga butuke.
Yes, well done.
Elo omon insinga butuka.
Yes, hello, omono isinga vutuka. Emily.
Onge osinga batuke.
Vutuke, yes.
Elo omon singa batuka.
Yes, omono isinga vutuka. Yes. That is it. I think we should stop there for today because these are I know Would you like to go back? Or just try to do it again?
No, it's okay.
It's okay, yeah. Okay, I'm fine. That's okay. We can stop there because bit to a bit, there's a progression. I mean, this is just first step. Next time will be harder than this. But you are brave. I trust you. Okay. Thank you very much indeed. Have a good day.
Oh, you too.
Question before you go. Question. I'm staying. You are going. What are you going to say to me? Are you going to say to me? I'm staying. You are going.
We need a name for Emily.
Don't worry. Listen, I'm saying. I'm staying. You are going.
Yep.
We end
Okay. Bye to me.
Oh, if we're saying goodbye to you,
Just go and say again. Okay. Wenda Gambote. I'm staying. Sala Gambote. You say to me, Sala Gambote.
Sala Kambote.
Thank you, Wenda Gambote. Thank you very much. Keep the name safe, yeah?
Yes, I will. Bye-bye.
Bye, thank you, bye.